How to turn off Voice Control and Siri on iPhone. Firstly, open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down and click on Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, scroll down again. Go to the section called Physical and Motor. Under that section, you will see the option Side button. Click on Side button. Here you will see a section called Press and Hold to Speak. Here make sure that you select the option Off. Now this will prevent the device from opening Siri when you press the side button. If you want to turn off Siri completely, then you can follow these steps. Go to Settings and click on the option Siri. It might be labeled as Siri and Search also. Inside the Siri interface, you will see various options like these. You can go on each of these options and customize it as per your liking. But to turn it off, you simply need to scroll up to the top. Here you will see an option called Allow Siri when locked. Turn it off and click on the option Turn off Siri when locked. Now this will also turn off the Announce Notification with Siri option. That's all for today. Thank you.